Good morning, class. In the previous lesson, we were learning about three very important terms, that is, solute, solvent, and solution. The substance in which a solid dissolves is called a solvent, and the mixture is formed is a solution. So, solute, we can take an example of a salt. Solvent would be water, and when salt is added to water and when salt mixes with the water, we get a solution. we have learned we've also learned about soluble substance and insoluble substances. Now class, today we'll be learning about very important processes, that is three important processes, that is sedimentation process, decantation process, and the filtration process. Sedimentation, decantation, and filtration. So separation of liquids from insoluble solids. Sedimentation now. Sedimentation is a process in which insoluble solids like mud, sand, and pebble, etc., are separated from the liquid. All the solids settle down at the beaker, and on top a clear layer is obtained. Alright, so all the solids that it gets settled down at the beaker, and on top a clear layer is found. This is known as sedimentation. Now, when we transfer the clear liquid without disturbing the sediments, this clear liquid obtained is known as decantation, and we transfer this into another beaker using a filtrate or filter paper. We get more clearer the layer, and this process is filtration process. Next process that I've explained you is decantation. Is the process of taking out the clear liquid from the top. So sedimentation and decantation go hand in hand. This is also one of the process of sedimentation and decantation. Next process that we were talking about is filtration. When we make tea, we put water, milk, tea leaves, and we let it boil. After that, in order to filter, what we do is we use the process of filtration over here, and the sieve, its strainer, it acts as a filter. It helps to separate the mixture. So this is one of the process of filtration that we apply in our daily life when we are making tea. So filtration is the process of separating insoluble solids by passing the liquid through pores of a strainer which acts as a filter paper. So filtration is the process of separating insoluble solids by passing the liquid through pores of a strainer which act as a filter paper. So class, this is all we'll be learning for today. We have learned about three very important processes, that is sedimentation. It is a process in which insoluble solids like mud, sand, pebbles, etc. are separated from the liquid. All the solids settle down at the beaker, and on top a clear layer is obtained. We have also come to know about important process, that is decantation. It is the process of taking out the clear liquid from the top. We have understood the process of tea making as an important process, that is the filtration process. So filtration is a process of separating insoluble solids by passing the liquid to pores of a saner, which acts as a filter paper. So class, this is all we'll be learning for today.